So guys, I am back with another interesting recipe I know you are going to love to try. You know your girl, she loves to try new things. So on this recipe, no added oats, no added flour. If you are the type that love to eat healthy, this video is for you. So I made this bread just using ripe plantain. So guys, like I said, ripe plantain. I have 2 ripe plantains with me, and then I have eggs. I'm going to be making use of 3 eggs. I was just scrolling my Instagram page and I saw this video. This lady made this loaf of bread using plantain. I was like, I must try this. So, so since I have plantain at home, I'm like, okay, let me go to the kitchen and see what I can achieve using plantain. So I also use whole milk. You can use condensed milk if you have. So next, I'm just going to peel off the plantain, chop them into smaller sizes, put them in the blender and blend. I love to try new things, more especially in my kitchen. Whenever I see any nice recipe I love that I haven't tried before, I will make sure I try it and taste it. So I'll peel off the back of the plantain, then I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes and then put them in the blender, blend it very smoothly, and then proceed to the next step. So if you're washing your weight and you're tired of eating flour, you don't want to eat starch, this video is for you. So next I transfer it into the blender and then I add my egg and then I went in with whole milk. I used 6 tablespoons of whole milk. I added baking powder 1 tablespoon and then I went in with 2 tablespoons of vanilla flavor just to give it a little bit of flavor. So next I'll cover it and then I'm going to blend it very smooth. Make sure you blend it very smooth. So once I'm done with the blending, next I'm going to apply butter on my baking pan and then I'm going to transfer the mixture into the baking pan and then put them in the oven. One thing about me is that I love to try new things. I love to give things a go. So if you are going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section, okay? It's very easy to prepare with all the ingredients. I think you have it in your kitchen. So guys, next I'm going to be adding coconut chips at the top. You can use nuts just to give it a little bit of design. Like the lady, she used a nut, she used different nut to design hers, but I don't have nuts at home, so I use the one I have. Next I'm going to pop it in the oven and then that is it. Your bread is ready. This one is plantain bread. Just take a look at it. It really came out nice anyway. It looks like bread. If you don't tell, nobody will know this is not flour. Like, I was like, oh my God, can this be possible? But it doesn't taste like bread, you know. But if you are the type that want to eat healthy, you don't want to eat flour anymore, this is for you. This is very nice. Will I try it again? Yes, I'm going to give it a try again. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Bye.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made from spicy